This is a very beautiful scene of a village house. The house has a traditional church roof. There is a colorful rooster standing on the house roof. Beside, there are four pigeons resting on the roof. Then we can see two cows in the yard. Right now I will explain activity of this scene. First of all, I get to see in this scenery the man is milking a cow. He is sitting on the ground beside cow with a bucket. Then I always hear in the scenery the sound of element. For example, a colorful rooster, pigeon, and cow. Overall, or at last, I can say it is a very beautiful and peaceful, busy morning activity in the village. I think it is a right way for learning English. Thank you. Hope understand. At last, in this way, I learn English. Inshallah.